How I passed the PL300 Microsoft Power BI certification in my first attempt. Hey everyone! If you're preparing for the PL300 Microsoft Power BI certification, you're in the right place. I recently cleared the exam on my first attempt, and in this video, I'll share everything that helped me pass. I'll cover the study materials, resources, practice tests, and key strategies that made a difference. If you're serious about getting certified, make sure to watch till the end. Understanding the PL300 exam. Before jumping into preparation, it's important to understand what the PL300 exam tests. This certification is for data analysts who use Power BI to transform data, build reports, and drive insights. It covers preparing data, modeling data, visualizing and analyzing data, deploying and maintaining assets. The exam consists of multiple choice questions, case studies, and drag and drop scenarios, testing both your theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Study resources that helped me succeed. I used a mix of official Microsoft resources, online courses, practice tests, and community forums. Here's a breakdown of what worked best. Microsoft Learn, this is the first place you should go. Microsoft provides 5 structured modules covering all exam objectives. My tip: take detailed notes and complete the hands-on labs. Each module includes interactive learning, quizzes, and practical labs that help reinforce concepts. Focus on key areas like DAX functions, Power Query transformations, and Power BI service deployment. The lab exercises at the end of each module are critical as they simulate real-world Power BI scenarios. Microsoft's exam prep videos. Microsoft has 4 dedicated videos that explain exam topics in depth. These are great to solidify your understanding. Microsoft's free practice assessment. Microsoft offers a free official practice test. My advice is to keep taking it until you consistently score 80 to 90%. It helps you identify weak areas that need more focus. Microsoft Exam Sandbox. This is a must-use resource. It allows you to experience the exam format beforehand, so you're comfortable with the interface and question types before the actual test. Udemy courses. Microsoft Power BI Desktop for Business Intelligence by Maven Analytics, great for beginners as it covers everything from basic concepts to advanced Power BI functionalities. PL300 Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst Practice Test with Labs by Ravikiran Srinivasulu. This course includes 4 full-length mock exams and 2 case studies, mimicking the real exam. LinkedIn Learning. If you have access, take advantage of the 4 practice exams available here. Each has around 50 questions, helping you get familiar with the exam pattern. YouTube channels. I found some fantastic free content on YouTube that reinforced my learning. Some of my favorites: Guy in a Cube, Pragmatic Works, Global Tech Learn, CertiIQ, Fusionverse, at Fusionverse_21. Exam practice websites. Exam Topics offers free PL300 questions, but always read the discussion section to verify answers. SkillCert Pro. I purchased their set of 20 mock tests. Each test contains 40 to 50 questions, covering case studies and specialized topics like DAX and Power BI service. Reddit, r/Power BI, this community is gold. I found plenty of real exam experiences, tricky questions, and study tips shared by others. Key strategies for success. Using great study resources is important, but strategy plays a huge role in passing the PL300. Here's what worked for me. Follow a structured study plan, set realistic goals. I dedicated 2 to 3 hours daily for 4 weeks, covering different exam topics systematically. Take notes and revisit them regularly. Writing things down helps retain information. I made quick summary notes for revision. Do all the lab exercises. The exam isn't just about memorization. Hands-on practice is essential to applying concepts correctly. Take the free Microsoft Practice Assessment. Keep practicing until you consistently score 80 to 90%. Use the Exam Sandbox. Familiarize yourself with the exam interface and question types so you are not caught off guard on test day. Review incorrect answers in practice tests. Understanding why an answer is wrong is just as important as knowing what's right. Exam day tips. Get a good night's sleep before the exam. Use process of elimination on tricky questions. Manage your time wisely. Don't spend too much time on a single question. Stay calm and confident. You've prepared well. Final thoughts. Passing the PL300 exam on your first attempt is absolutely doable with the right approach. Focus on understanding concepts, practicing hands-on, and taking mock tests. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and certification tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need further guidance. Best of luck with your PL300 journey.